good. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the alphabet C and D. Come, let's go. See, this is the alphabet C. Can you see? C. C for cat, C for car, and C for carrot. See once again, C for cat, C for car, C for carrot. See how will you write C? Like this. See, C for cat, C for car, C for carrot. How C sounds? K, K. C for cat, C for car, C for carrot. Once again, K. C for cat, C for car, C for carrot. See, I have made a worksheet in notes in this way. See, first capital letter C, small letter C. I have drawn a cat face here. You can make them to color here. Identify which letter is this and dots of C. To trace to them, to make them to trace upon this. We have to teach them with the fingers how to write C. It's a curved line. See, C. Same small letter C. After this, we have to give them a sketch pen or marker or crayons and tell them to identify which letter is this. And we can tell them to tick or circle. After that, how to write C? C. C. We can make them to write upon this like this. C. In the next page, I have made all dots with C itself and make them to write full page. Next, we'll go to the letter D. See? D. D for dog, D for doll, D for duck. Once again, D for dog, D for doll, D for duck. This worksheet how I have done. See, first big letter D, small letter D, and then identify which letter is this. And I have drawn a doll here. Then with the dots I have done D. Now what we have to do is first we have to make them to teach in fingers. D. How? One standing line, one curved line. And in small letter, one curved line, one standing line. And we have to tell them to, and then after that we have to make them to write with a pen or pencil. See, D. D. Then identify which letter is this? D. Then we can make them to write upon this D. See? Standing line, curved line, D. One standing line, one. How D sounds? D, D, D. D for dog. D, D for doll. D, D for duck. Fully D here and we can make them to write upon this. See? One standing line, one curved line, D. Standing line, curved line, D. Standing line, curved line, D. This is how we have to learn the letters C and D. In the next video, we are going to learn the other two letters. And thank you. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share to your friends and family. Thank you.